Friday. I have been meaning to start this the last few Fridays and I have completely forgotten about it. So I'm doing it today. I wanted to start doing like Ask a Chiropractor or Ask Your Chiropractor. So be prepared. I'm going to drop like a question box and you guys can drop topics that you want me to chat about on next week's episode. But for today, I wanted to talk about something that I get asked all the time, which is just like, what is the pop? What is the crack that's on when you adjust my back? So here's the deal. Nothing is moving, nothing is breaking, none of that, okay? So gas builds up in your body as a natural byproduct, like when you breathe, that oxygen that you breathe in and carbon dioxide that you breathe out, that is like the byproducts that go of that whole process, as well as every other process in your body. There's gas that's like given off. And if you can remember from like, I don't know, 6th grade, 8th grade science, whenever that was, gas likes to find its way into small spaces and then expand. So gas that is naturally produced, it's a normal thing within your body, is oftentimes building up within your joints. And then as we move, it's released here and there, here and there. But when joint segments get stuck, that gas that's built up in there likes to expand and make it really full, really tight, really stiff, really uncomfortable. So all that time that you're feeling like, ugh, like stuck and like not so great, it's because gas has built up in these joints and your joint segments aren't moving as well as it should to naturally release it. So that's where I come in, human WD-40. And my job is to find the joints that aren't moving very well and apply a little pressure, boop, just like that, and introduce movement back into those joint segments. When they open up, when they release, that's when you get that pop. So it's really similar to like opening a bottle of champagne or opening a bubbly or anything like that, any like carbonated beverage, right? When you pop it, that gas is getting released from that closed space and it gives off a pop sound. Same thing that's happening with your body. I'm just reintroducing movement to stuck joint spaces and letting that gas flow out, and it makes that a pop sound when you get adjusted. I hope that clears some things up for you. I hope that eases some people's anxiety, and I hope that it was a little bit informative. So yeah, drop your questions for next week here.